Hello friends and welcome back to the Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Alpha Cool EX RTX 4000 ADA VGA water block. So friend, Alpha Cool present the EX RTX 4000 ADA GPU cooler innovation meets efficiency for demanding B2B application. As a leading provider of innovative cooling solution for high-performance IT infrastructure, and AlphaCool presents the new ESRTX 4000 ADA GPU cooler, specifically developed for the requirement of the enterprise series. The cooler sets a new standard in terms of cooling performance, design, and this makes it ideal for professional application and high performance data center. And the GPU cooler not only impress with outstanding cooling performance, but it also compact single slot design, and this is made possible by the use of thin but very stable carbon plate which fulfill the requirement of copper cooler without compromising on performance. And the innovation design including the rear position connections makes it possible to stack several coolers on the top of each other, and which saves space, simplifying tubing and allows seamless integration into existing water cooling loops. And another highlight in the optimized cooling performance, Alpha could rely on the combination of reinforced copper black, improved water flow, and 1 high performance thermal pad, which ensure that all relevant components maximum efficiency. As a result, the component to be cool are closer to the cooler, and which ensures significantly higher heat distribution and then our more stable temperature. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.